Before assembling the mixer, be sure the power cord is unplugged from the power outlet and the speed knob is in the O position. Push the tilt button up. The head of mixer will automatically release and lock into tilt position. Place the bowl on the base, then clockwise turn the bowl in until it locks into position. Select the desired attachment depending on the mixing test to be performed. Align the attachment with the bracket of the head. Insert and push it upward against the spring, then anti-clockwise rotate it until it locks into position. Whisk for beating and frothing egg white. Beater for mixing unbeating egg. Dough hook for kneading. Note: ensure the attachment is fully inserted, otherwise the mixing results may be affected. Push the tilt button up to ease the head down and place the attachment into the bowl. A click sound will be heard when the head has reached the correct position. And make sure the bowl cover in place. Ensure that the speed knob is at the O position. Then plug in the power source. Turn the speed knob to your desired setting. The low speed gear is used for the dough hook. The medium speed gear is used for the beater. Highest speed gear is used for the whisk. Warning: do not stick spatula, egg separator and so on into bowl when operating. When mixing is completed, turn the speed knob to O position. Unplug the cord from power outlet. The P gear needs to be manually held and the motor will run at the highest speed. This gear is ideal when the effect of the mixed ingredients is not good enough. Note: the max operation time shall not exceed 6 minutes and minimum rest time of 20 minutes must be maintained between 2 consecutive cycles. Note: during kneading, some flour may stick to the inside of the bowl. Remove the bowl cover and scrape the flour down with a spatula. Note: always start mixing at the lowest speed. Once the ingredients form a smooth paste, gradually increase to the speed recommended in the user manual.